Description. Designed to work on a variety of normal hair types, the Normal Conditioner uses ocean silk technology for superior detangling and conditioning. Makes hair supple and strong, leaving it with bounce and a silky shine. Benefits. Smooths and detangles hair. Offers weightless moisturizing. Best suited for normal and thick hair types. Suggested use. Apply to washed hair, starting at the ends and working up. Allow 1 to 2 minutes to work in, then rinse well. SACHAJUAN Normal Hair Conditioner. Designed to work on a variety of normal hair structures, just like our normal shampoo, the SACHAJUAN Normal Conditioner uses ocean silk technology for superior detangling and conditioning. Makes hair supple and strong, leaving it with bounce and a silky shine. Smooths and detangles hair. Offers weightless moisturizing. Enriched with ocean silk technology to nourish and care. Top reviews from the United States. Guilty pleasure. I try to only use products that use natural ingredients, but anyone who does this will tell you the same thing, they're never as good as the non-natural chemical products. This conditioner is the one exception I allow myself because it leaves my hair looking amazing with good volume. Also smells great.